Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Cubot P50 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's nothing. There's a speaker in front of the screen right here. There's also what seems like two speakers on the bottom, one right here and one right here. Now let's play some music on this device and cover each of the speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from two sources, as this would mean it has a stereo speakers. So if the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's proceed. So clearly sound is coming from the bottom speaker and this one only. This one doesn't have any sound. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.